Cowboy is on a mission to free our cities from cars. We want to do that by accelerating the adoption of e-bikes across the world. We want to make them more appealing and more accessible to everyone.
When we set out to build Cowboy, we wanted the bike to be fun, right? And fun means that you enjoy it every day and in every different situation. So to be able to achieve this, it needed to be intuitive. So we really focused on that, on making the bike and making the ride feeling something that you would expect but like.
The bike is connected to you, it's connected to your ride. We really use the connectivity to improve your experience every day when you use a Cowboy, but also if you have any kind of issues, we can use that to provide you access to diagnostic, but also a remote network of technicians, and all of that will provide you complete peace of mind when you use a Cowboy.
For us, the Cowboy app is not just a nice little add-on, it's really at the core of the product. So in everything we do, we always ask ourselves how we can leverage that to make our riders' experience even better.
When you ride on a Cowboy, every time that you push on the pedal, you get exactly the right amount of force from the motor, and it doesn't behave in a way that you didn't expect. And I think this intuitiveness is also what allows a lot of people who never rode electric bike to actually try the Cowboy and say, okay, this is something for me.
Because of the technology that we built inside the bike and connected to the app, this means that we're always one step ahead. And the experience for you, the rider, keeps getting better over time.
For me, it's the best thing about Cowboy is really the people that I'm surrounded by on a daily basis. So it's the combination between these young people fresh out of school, super ambitious, and then that they're being guided by experts in the field that can help you be better at your job on a daily basis, and then together bring our product to new levels.
I agree. It's super motivating to work with talented people. And it's super stimulating to see the direct impact on people's life. We help people move better, we help cities move better, and that's actually super motivating. And I'd say that this is why we're all here.
This in and of itself is another extension of why Cowboy's mission is so ambitious, but also admirable in a way. They want to get their community engaged, right? They want to make sure that their most loyal cyclists, their most loyal Cowboy riders participate as the company continues to grow, as they help continue to expand the market. And yeah, I mean, it's been exciting to watch the journey that they've been on so far, and I think that, as crazy it may seem, I think it's just the beginning.
It's all about the team. At the end of the day, that's the entrepreneur behind these companies. And the Cowboy team has this insight. They know something, they have seen something in the future that the rest of the people don't know yet. And in Cowboy's case, that was that e-bikes were going to become the norm to move around cities. They were the most efficient and beautiful way to move around. And that too, there was no brand that was really merging software and hardware and making it a totally new and delightful experience.
By investing in Cowboy, you're making a statement. You're becoming the change that you want to see in the city. And we don't really have a choice, really. We have to change the way we live in the cities if we want to leave a better place for the future generations.
Join the ride as we lead the way toward urban freedom. Invest in Cowboy today.